how to clean or how to remove the GPU bracket. Very rusty already. How to clean using baking soda. As you can see, rusty already. Cannot remove even you wipe it. The corrosion stick already. Let's try to clean it and put this bracket as a new one. Okay, I have this baking soda. So we need to measure this baking soda up to 7.5 ml. 7.5 ml. I think it's enough. And then get a container. Just put the baking soda and then get a water. At least I think 10.5 ml enough already. Okay. Put the bracket here. Now it's tight. It's tight to move this rusty thing. Just rub it until the rust removed. Just baking soda, don't put anything, just baking soda. This baking soda powerful. I think wrap it around 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes is better. Just wrap it until the rust out. Okay, and then after that, wash the bracket with soap. Let me wash first and then let me show you the result. Okay, after wash, so this is the result. As you can see, like new one. Very clean. The rust is out. Okay, now the final touch is put a little bit oil like this one, WD-40. A little bit oil. The result is very good. The bracket now is clean.